supportive parents, and energetic students. My name is Kinse Imdad and I am honored to be your host for today's event, joined by my wonderful co-host Musaffa Gul. वही जहाँ है तेरा जिसको तू करे पैदा, वही जहाँ है तेरा जिसको तू करे पैदा, ये संगो खिश्त नहीं जो तेरी निगाह में है.
It's an honor to stand before you today as we gather here to celebrate Silver Jubilee. Life often presents us with moments where we must make critical decisions. Do or die is not just about survival, but about overcoming challenges, pushing beyond limits and giving our all in the face of diversity. It reminds us that success and failure often lie on the other side of one critical choice, a choice that demands courage, resilience and determination.
We are incredibly fortunate to have a distinguished speaker who will guide us through this topic, do or die. Without further delay, please join me in welcoming Nazish Naz, who will enlighten us on do or die.
Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am here to talk about something that defines success, determines failures, and separates the dreamers from the doers. It's a principle that has been immortalized in just 3 simple words: do or die. Let me start by asking you one simple question. What if today was the day that everything changed for you? What if today you decided to stop holding back, to stop waiting for the right moment, and to give everything you have got? What if you took that one step that scares you? That one decision that could change the course of your life forever? You see, we all have dreams. We all have goals that we want to achieve. But here's the hard truth. Success is not handed to you. It's earned. It's earned through relentless effort, through hard work, through falling down and getting back up. But the real question is, are you willing to do what it takes? Are you ready to push through your doubts, your fears, and the things that hold you back? Are you prepared to stop making excuses and take action every single day, no matter how tough it gets? I'm not asking you to be perfect. I'm not asking you to have all the answers. What I'm asking is simple. Will you show up? Will you fight for your dreams? Will you choose to rise and do what others are too afraid to do? This is your moment. This is your time to decide, do or die. Today is the day when you decide that nothing is going to stop you. Today is the day when you choose to take action. Today is the day that marks the start of a brand new chapter in your life. So ask yourself, what do I want to achieve? And more importantly, what am I willing to do to make that happen? Because today you are not just watching and listening to my speech, you are taking the first step toward becoming the person you were meant to be. Now, let's dive in, because today you are not just listening a speech, you are taking the first step toward becoming the person you were meant to be. It's your time to decide, do or die. There is a fire inside each of us, a fire that burns with the desire for success, the hunger for more, and the drive to achieve greatness. But how many of us actually let that fire burn? How many of us allow that flame to guide us towards our dreams and goals? Too many of us hide from it. We are afraid of what that fire will do if we let it grow too strong. We are afraid of failing or falling short of being seen trying, but not succeeding. But let me tell you something right now. The greatest fear is not the failure. It's never trying. It's never giving yourself a chance to prove what you are really made of. I want to be real with you for a moment. We all face obstacles. Life is messy. It's unpredictable. It's easy to caught up in the cycle of doubting yourself and wondering if it's even worth it. The ups and downs, the setbacks, the failures, they are seen like too much to handle. But that's when you need to dig in deeper. That's when you need to look at yourself in the mirror and ask, am I gonna let this stop me? This is where the choice comes in. This is where you must decide, do or die. Remember, it's do or die. Your future is waiting. Thank you for being here. I'm so excited to see you take that next step. Keep pushing forward, keep believing in yourself, keep moving because your dreams are within reach. So let's go, make the decision today. You are unstoppable. Thank you very much.